Hello everyone, welcome you all again. So here we have already discussed some topics for class 12 from the unit 1. So now see from the unit 1 computational thinking and programming 2. So today in today's class we are going to discuss this topic using Python libraries. That means how to create Python library, how to create Python module, and how to import that module in your programming environment. For that some practical programs I have done. So that program directly I'm going to show you. I'm going to start this, that means how to using Python libraries topic here, because I'm going to finish the topic which you need in your project to create your project for the final submission. So here see I have done how to import Python libraries or module. So import using Python libraries, this is one topic. So here I have done here study material using Python library. This study material using Python library folder I will send you on mail. Okay, so you can download at home. So I have done these 3 practices here. So now practice 1 I am going to show you. So here this is one module I am creating here. This is one module I have created here. So here see the module name I have given here area.py. Okay, so right click, open this. So this module I have created. So in this module what I am doing, in this module I am calculating the area of a circle, where I am calculating the area of a square, and I am calculating the area of an of a rectangle. Okay, so I am doing that. These 3 methods are doing here in this module, in this area module. Okay, in this area module I have done these 3 methods. In this 3 method, in one method I am calculating the area of a circle, area of a square, and area of a rectangle. Okay, these 3 formulas also I have given here. See, now see, already you know how to define a function. So def circle area, this is what, this is the function name. So this is the parameter list as you have done in the function class. User defined function already you have done. So how to define a function, you know. So def keyword is used to define a function. Okay, this is the function name and this is the parameter list, as you know. So to the parameter list we have to send some value from the main program. Okay, so if you are sending 5 from the main program, that 5 will store here in the radius variable and it will calculate here. See, this is the formula I am giving here. So how to calculate the area of a circle? So pi into r, radius into radius. Okay, so this is the formula. So here return, we are returning from this method. What we are returning from this method? Math.pi into radius. So this is the formula, pi into radius into radius, pi into radius into radius. This is as comment I am showing you because I am giving the hash symbol here. That means this is a comment. So return, we are returning some value from this method. What the value we are returning? Math dot. That means what do you understand from this math dot? That means we are importing this math module in this environment, in this area environment, this area program I am creating here. In this area program we have imported this math module. See, this math module we have imported here. This math is already built-in module in Python library. From that library we are importing this module. In this module this formula is already there, pi. For this pi we have imported this math module because the pi function is already done there in the math module. That is why from that math module we are importing this math pi function, pi method. So math, we are using this pi. So from where? From this math module. That is why I am writing here math.pi into radius into radius. This radius you have sent from the main program. So when I am going to show you the main program, then you will understand automatically how the radius will come. Okay, you have to import the radius. Clear? Okay, now like that, similarly here, square of a area of a square. Okay, how to calculate? See, side into side. By multiplying this side into side, you can calculate the square of an area. Area of a square. Return, you are returning side into side. What the value you will send from the main function, it will store here in side. So into this value into this value, it will calculate the square area of a square. Done. So for the rectangle, see, length and breadth it will need. So that length and breadth you have to send from the main program. So you will call this method, then it will execute this formula, length and breadth, length into breadth. By multiplying length into breadth, you can calculate the area of a rectangle. It is clear? So now see here, return, it will return a value length into breadth. Clear? So this is our area module. I have created this area module for what? To calculate the area of a circle, to calculate the square of a circle, area of a square, and to calculate the area of a rectangle. It is clear? Okay, now see the main program. Come to the main program. Minimize this area, and this is math 1. Open this. In this program, what I am doing, see, importing the module area math in math1.py. So our Python program name is what? Math1. See, what was that? This is math1, isn't it? So here, see, in a math1, this is the math1. Okay, in math1, what I want to do? Import area, like math module, how you have imported in the area module. Similarly, you are importing that area module that you have created in your math1.py program. So what you are doing here, see, Python import area, that area module you are importing here to import all the sub modules of the function from area. Why you have to write this line? Import, by using import you can import a module. So import area means that area module you are importing to your environment, that is math1. Clear? So if you are importing like this, import area, that means the complete entire module you are importing here in your Python program. It is clear? Entire module means what are there in area, all the functions you can use here in your Python program. It is clear? In math1. It is clear? So now see, print, we are displaying something. What we want to display? Area dot circle area. That means this circle area method, this circle area function you are calling from area module. That area you have imported here. See, in the area, go to area here. This is area. This is area.py. In area.py, this method you have already done. Circle underscore area. Clear? So you are calling this function now from your math1. From your math1, you are calling this function, circle underscore area. To call this method from area into py, what to do? You have to import this area module, and you have to call by using this module name. So that is why you are writing here area.circle area. It is clear? So here also similarly what you have done, see, math.py. This py is already done in this math module. Clear? From this math module you are importing this py, that is why you are writing the math word before calling this function. It is clear? So now see, area.circle area, you are calling this function and you are passing a value 5. Okay, so this 5 you are sending from the function call. This 5 will store where? It will go to this radius value. It is clear? Now the value of radius is 5. Then return math.py into 5 into 5. It will return a value. It will calculate this formula. It will execute this formula, calculate a value, and it will return. So where the return value will go? This return value will go to this scope from where you are calling this function. Done? Okay. Similarly, area dot square area, that means area of a square you are calculating now. So you are calling this method or this function by passing 10. Okay, you are sending the parameter 10 from here, from where you are calling the function 10 you are sending. So you are importing this module, you have already imported this area module. So you are calling this method square area. So this square area function, this square area method already you have done here in area.py. That is why when you are going to call this square area method or square area function, so you have to write the area word before. This area module name you have to give here, this module name. It is clear? So area.square area, you are sending 10 from here. So when you are calling this function, it will go to this page. It will go to this module page. So here square area, so 10 it will store here inside. It is clear that 10 you are sending from that function call, it will store here inside. So return side into side, 10 into 10 it will return. It is clear? So that value it will store here and it will display. Print is given there already, so it will display. So now area of rectangle. So when you are calling this method, you are sending 20 and 40. Okay, so that 20 and 40 where it will store, you are calling this rectangle area function. So that 20 and 40 it will go here, rectangle area. 20 is the length and breadth is 40. It is clear? So now how to calculate the rectangle of area? Area of rectangle, length into breadth. So it will return a value from here. That value directly go to this function from where you are calling this. This clear? So now print this. So it will display something. Done. I think all of you understand this. So I am going to run this program F5. See, it will return some value. This is for the first one. That means this answer is coming from this print. Area of a circle. You are sending the value 5 from here and it has calculated and it is giving this value. Done. So now area of a square, 10 you have sent, 10 into 10, 100, it is returning the value. So rectangle of area of rectangle, it is returning this value. Done. Hope you all understand how to import a module to your Python program. Done. Math 1 we have finished. Okay, now I am going to show you the next one, another one. So area is done already. Now this is math 2. One another program I have done. So I am going to show you here. See, to call sub module or sub function from area, use from. The meaning of this is, in the math module what you have done. See, in the math 1 what you have done. In the math 1, see what you have done. You are importing this area module. That means the entire module we have imported here in this math 1 program. So that what you can do, you can use any of the function name, any of the method what you have done in the area module, you can use here in math 1 program. Clear? So that means circle area also you have done in the area module, square area you have done in the area module, rectangle area you have done in area module. So each and every methods you can use here in math 1. Okay, so now see here in math 2 what I have done. In math 2, from area module import circle area. Do you understand the meaning? We have imported area in the previous one. Here from area we are importing circle area only. Clear? We are not importing other programs. We are not importing all the programs, all the methods. We are not importing here all the methods what you have done in area module. We are importing only the circle area module here, circle area sub module or method here in your math 2. Okay, so you can calculate only the circle area here. If you will execute the another one, if you call another function, it's like see, if you are writing from area import circle area, so here directly you can write circle area. No need to write area dot circle area. It is clear? No need to write area dot circle area. In math 1 what you have done, area dot circle area you have written. Clear? So here when you are importing like this from area, only you are importing one submodule or one method, then no need to write area dot circle area here. Clear? Okay, done. So it will display only the area of a circle. Clear? Now I'm going to the next one. This is math 3. Okay, so here what I'm doing, see, import area import area from area, import star, same meaning. Acha. See, import area or import star, star means all. So the meaning is same. If you are writing from area import no, in the previous one you have written import area, that means all modules, all sub functions you have imported in your program. And if you are writing from area import star, the meaning is same. That means you are importing all the methods what you have done in area module, you are importing here in math 3. It is clear? So here directly you can write all the methods, directly you can call all the methods. Circle area you are writing, square area you are writing, rectangle area you are writing here. Because import star, that means import all methods what you have done in area module. It is clear? So if in the previous one what you have written, that means in math 2, that means see, from area import circle area. Only circle area function you have imported here in this Python environment. But here you are importing math3. In math3, import star, that means all methods what you have done in the area module. So all the methods you have imported here. So here also, from when you are going to import any module by using from, then no need to write this area.circle area, area.square area, area.rectangle area. If you will directly import only import area, then you have to write area.circle area, area.square area, area.rectangle area. This clear? Okay. Now go to the next one. Is there any more? Yes, 4. Math 4 is also there. So I'm going to show you how you have done. See, so here actually what it will show. So here when you are going to use this dir, that means it will show what are the methods you have done in this area module. All the objects it will show. That is to retrieve the listing of all the objects present inside the user created module. That means what that you have created this area module. So what are there to show all the methods you can use this dir area. Print dir area. That means in area module what are the sub functions, what are the methods it will show. If you will run this program, see how it will come. Okay, built-in functions, document, file, name, package, circle area you have done, math module also you have imported, rectangle area, square area. So everything what are there in area, everything it will display. Okay, so this practice we have finished. I think how to import everything, how to import a module in your Python environment, you will understand everything. Create a module area. These are the steps what you have to do. According to this step you can start your program. Create a module area.py, submodule circle area, rectangle area, square area I have created here. Create another module for program math 1, math 2, math 3. I have created like this. So these are the steps, so you can follow these steps also. The same steps actually what I have done, I have written for you. Okay, now another example, that is practice 2. Another example I have done here. So actually what I am done here, I'm going to show you. Actually in this practice I have done here how to member aliasing and module aliasing done. So here see, this is one module I have created here. This is test, like area. In the previous example how area I have created, like here I have created test module. So what I have done here, see, so two user defined function I have done here. So one is ADDD add xy, so it will return the addition value of x plus y. Okay, so another I have done product, another function I have done here x y. This is the parameter list, already you know that two values we have to send from our main program. So return x into y, that means it will return the multiplication value. Okay, test.py. Okay, now see, this test.py is our module. I am going to import this module in another program. Okay, so these two programs I have done here. In one program I am going to show you how to member aliasing done and how to do module aliasing. So first I am going to show you how to module aliasing we have to how to do. Print module aliasing. See, I am just going to display this module aliasing. If actually here I have to give hash, that means one comment is this. So now see, import test, already you know this test module is already there. This module we are going to import here in our module aliasing program. These are module aliasing program name. So here I am going to import this test as tt, that means we are giving as tt here. This means aliasing, that means in place of test we can write tt, no need to write the complete word test. So here see, print tt.adddd. Adddd is the function which is already there in the test module. So from the test module we are calling this function. Here actually we have to write what? Test. So in place of this test I am writing tt, that is aliasing, module aliasing. This module name we are aliasing here, that is why this is module aliasing it is said. So tt.add, we are calling this function by passing two values 2 and 3. This 2 and 3 will go to the test page. So this is test. So here 2 and 3 is coming. So return x plus y. That means it will return 2 plus 3, 5. And this 5 will go where? This 5 will come here. into this print. So it will display the result 5. Print tt.product. Again I am writing this tt here, not test. You can write test also. If you are aliasing, then no need to write the test whole word. Your module name may be long. Okay, in that case, if you will write a short aliasing name, then you can directly use that aliasing name. Then 2 into 3, it will return 6. So if you will run this program, so I'm going to run this program. So 5 and 6 is coming. Done. Okay. Now this is module aliasing I have done, and I'm going to show you next member aliasing. Member aliasing means these functions, this ADDD product, these two methods or functions are already there in the test module. So from the test module, I'm going to use these two methods. So these two methods also you can use the aliasing process. So now see, this is member aliasing, this is member aliasing. So here what I'm doing, yes. So what I'm doing here, see, from test, that means from test module, we are importing ADDD. This is one function as AD. I'm giving as AD here. In the previous example, I have done module aliasing, that means test. For test, TT we have taken. From test module, we are importing ADDD. This is the method, or this is the function, sub module as AD, product as PD. Clear? So here test dot ADDD, no need to write. So directly you can write add, that means add PD. Done. So if you will call AD, that means it will go to this function ADDD. If you will call this PD, that means directly it will go to the product function. Clear? So this is member aliasing done. So module aliasing and member aliasing done. Okay. Next one, another example is there, practice 3. So what I'm going to show you, I'm going to close all this. Okay. So now in this example, what I have done, I'm going to show you. Actually in this practice, I have given one question here. See, this is the question. This is the question. The question is, write a program in Python that calculates the following. Area of a circle you have to calculate, circumference of a circle, area of a rectangle, perimeter of a rectangle. Here create respective modules for each of the operations and call them separately using a menu driven program. Write all circle related functions in one module and rectangle related functions in another module. That means in this program what you have to do exactly. So here see in the examples, in the examples what I have done in the previous examples, that means how to create module and how to import it, how to import a module already have done, right? So now here also you have to create two modules, one module for circle related functions, okay, one another module for rectangle related functions. That means the functions you can say as methods or sub modules you can say. Clear? So what you have to calculate, see, for circle related functions you are calculating here area of a circle and circumference of a circle, okay, and rectangle related functions are there, area of a rectangle and perimeter of a rectangle, okay. These two modules you have to create. For area of a circle, one another module, here this function also you can import. For rectangle, that means two functions are there, these two functions you can import in rectangle related module. These two modules you have to call from your program, from your main program. It is clear? Okay. So now see how I have done this program. So this is the program and this is the circle related functions are there and rectangle related functions are there. This is one module I have created here. See, circle. Here I have done in this module area of a circle, done. Like in the previous example already you have done, and circumference of a circle, okay. This circle related functions I have done in the circle.py module. It is clear? Okay. Now minimize this and rectangle.py. Here what I have done, rectangle related two functions, it was there in the question, area of rectangle and perimeter of rectangle. These two functions I have done in this rectangle.py module. It is clear? And I am going to doing this program exactly. In this program I am going to import this circle module and rectangle module also, okay. So now see what I have done here, import circle, clear, import rectangle. That means both this module we are going to import in my program. So this is menu driven program means see by giving some choice I have done this program. Choice equal to 0, by default the value of choice is 0. Ch equal to y I have given. Why I have given, everything you will understand when you'll go to the next part of the program. So here see, while ch equal to y, that means while true, your answer is, your choice is yes. Okay, after that much of time this program will repeat again and again. Print menu, here what I am doing, see, print menu, it will display only 1 area of a circle, number 2 circumference of a circle, number 3 area of a rectangle, number 4 perimeter of a rectangle, 5 quit. These 5 options are there in my program. Okay, it will display. So choice, this choice variable, choice equal to int input, that means enter your number. You will enter the number from this list 1 2 3 4 5. What do you want to do? If you will enter here 1, that means area of a circle, your choice is 1. If choice equal to 1, that means you have done this. Okay, area of a circle, if you are going to input 1 here, that means choice is 1. Choice is 1. If choice equal to 1, then it will execute this function. Clear? This function. So what it will do here in this function, see, radius. In this function what it is doing, if you are calling 1, so choice is 1, that means this function, area of a circle, radius equal to, radius is a variable name you are taking here, int input, enter your circle radius. If you are importing 5 here, print the area is circle area, circle dot circle area, radius. Okay, that means from this circle module, that means this circle module, from this circle module you are importing circle area function. Okay, you are calling the circle area function. So in the circle module, see, this circle area function was there, this radius option was there, this means radius variable name parameter list was there. So you are sending from your main program this radius, you have already imported radius here, this radius you are sending from here. So how to call a function already you have done in the previous example. So you know, circle dot circle area function you are calling from here. So like that it will go to that function here, so it will return this value. Clear? Okay, now again, if your choice is 2, that means circumference of a circle. So for that, choice 2, you have imported choice 2, enter 2 value here in this choice, then directly it will go to the L here, to this part. So you have imported this value here, print circumference is circle dot circumference functions you are calling from here. Clear? So again, if your choice is 3, area of a rectangle, then see where it will go. It will go to the choice 3, this part. It will not go to here and everywhere. It will go to choice 3. So what it has to do? How to calculate the rectangle? To calculate rectangle, you have to input the width and length. So you are importing, you are entering the width here and length here. So you are sending these two value from here, width and length. So it will calculate where it will go, rectangle dot rectangle area, rectangle underscore area. That means it will go to this rectangle dot py module. So here rectangle area method is there. So it will return this value. So this value directly go to this program here, this part, it will print this. Clear? So if your choice is 4, that means it will go to the rectangle dot perimeter. Clear? If your choice is 5, that means program have to finish, quit. Then after what is there, error. Then after error is there, that means see, if you are entering the value other than 1 2 3 4 5, then what happens? You know, see here, here if your choice is 5, that means quit. You can enter 6 7 8 9 10 any value in your choice. If you have entered here 10, no option is there 10. So what, see, else, that means if any of the condition is not satisfied, it will go to else part. That means your entered number is 10 here. So no 10 is there, in no 10 cases choice is there here. So that means it will go to else part, print error invalid selection. Done. So like this program I have done. So in this 3 example already you have done. So how to import module and how to use the sub modules or functions in your program. Clear? Hope you all understand everything. If you not understand, then you can ask me in WhatsApp or in YouTube comment section. Clear? Okay, in this video we have done this using Python libraries, how to create Python module or library and how to import this. Clear? From your syllabus this topic also finish. So we are going to start the next topic in the next video. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.